If your credit score is sitting between 580 and 650 right now, I already know 3 things that are eating you alive. Number 1, you've been denied over and over, probably by Capital One, Discover, Chase, maybe even Navy Federal. Every no feels personal, and every hard inquiry, it drops your score even lower.
Number 2, the offers that you do get are insulting. $500 limits, 30% annual APR.
Right.
Fees on a credit card you'll be embarrassed to pull out at the gas station.
And number 3, the one nobody talks about. You feel stuck. You can't get the limit because your score is low, but you can't raise your score because you can't get the limit. Look, it's like a trap. You're going back and forth.
Correct. So today, we're going to show you 4 credit unions that break that trap, money magnets. Real approvals between $25,000 to $50,000 for a 500 to a 650 FICO range. But we're telling you the truth about how to actually get this, okay? No fluff, no fairy tales.
All right, guys, I need you to drop ready in the comments. We want to hear from every person who wants to get approved this week. We want you guys to get active in our community.
Okay, before we name names, I need you to hear this. If you're at a 580 credit score, you're probably not walking into one of these credit unions and getting a $50,000 limit on day one. Just keep that in mind.
Right.
That's the truth, money magnets. What we're doing is starting smart, building a 90-day to 180-day of clean credit history and graduating to that $50,000 credit line in 6 to 12 months.
And later in this video, I'm going to give you the exact 3-step cleanup plan that gets your score moving in 30 days, guys. So make sure you stick around. That part alone is worth saving this video for. Let's jump into credit union number 1, First Tech Federal. And this is the headliner because First Tech is one of the only credit unions that says openly they work with 500 to 600 credit score borrowers.
Marvin, that's amazing. They also work with personal loan ranges, $500 on all the way up to $50,000.
Right.
No application fees, no origination fees, no prepayment penalties.
And the APR runs from 6.99 to 18%. And here's the kicker. They let you check your rate with a soft pull, guys. You see your offer before you take the hard inquiry hit. That's huge for a thin file or somebody that has damaged credit.
And I know you're wondering, how do I join?
Yeah.
You don't need to work in tech, so keep that in mind. You can join by becoming a member of the Financial Fitness Association or the Computer History Museum.
Right.
Anyone can do it, money magnets. It's available in all 50 states. So write this down, money magnets. They pull Experian.
And look, you're probably thinking, what are they going to ask for? I can already tell you right now, they want to see your recent pay stubs, proof of income, government ID. They're going to look at your DTI, or what we call your debt to income ratio.
Yes.
Look, make sure you show up with 2 pay stubs, a new bank statement, and then you're going to start the conversation off right. If you don't get the personal loan, the good thing about First Tech, they hold the inquiry for 60 days, guys. You can apply for a secured card or a secured loan so that you can rebuild your credit. That's super important.
Okay, let's stop for a second. If you've been waiting for creators to tell you the truth instead of selling you a fairy tale, subscribe right now, money magnets. Ring that bell. Every Thursday and Sunday, Marvin and I drop new credit unions, a new lender, or a new bank that can fund people that the big banks turn away.
Credit union number 2, guys. Let's keep moving.
Yes.
PenFed, or what we call Pentagon Federal Credit Union. And don't let the Pentagon and the name scare you off. Anyone can join. PenFed openly says in articles their minimum is a 580 FICO score. They publish this. That's rare in this industry. Most credit unions hide their minimum credit scores.
That is so true. And their loan ranges from $600 all the way up to $50,000, money magnet, with the APR at 6.09% all the way up to 17.99%. Okay, so there's no origination fees. Same day or next day funding once approved. That right there is a cash flow changer.
It is.
Flexible loans up to 60 months, money magnets, that usually pull Equifax. And they ask for documents. So keep that in mind. They keep your credit report on file for 30 days, Marvin. That right there is amazing.
It is. So let's jump in how to join. You open a savings account with just $5.
Okay.
That's absolutely it. Once you do that, you're a member of PenFed. If you don't get approved, remember, guys, start with a direct deposit. Build that relationship. This is a credit union you need to hold on to so that when your credit score is better within 3 to 6 months, guess what? You can reapply for their products or you can get a secure product. And before I tell you about credit union number 3, drop ready in the comments if you've ever been turned away by a major bank. We read every single one, and we want to see some comeback stories because we might want to feature you guys on some of our future live streams.
That is correct. But real talk, on PenFed Money Magnets, at a 580 credit score, you might come in with a $5,000 or $7,500 limit, okay?
Right.
At a 620 credit score, you might sink $10,000 all the way up to $15,000.
Right.
To hit that $25,000 plus range Money Magnets with PenFed, you really need to be at a 640 all the way up to a 700 with at least a year of clean payment history, and you have to have pay stubs and tax returns ready.
All right, here's the play, guys. You apply. You take the smaller approval. Get in the door.
Yes.
You pay it on time for 6 months, and PenFed will graduate you up. They reward members who show up and pay on time.
Okay, but listen, if you're sitting here thinking, all of this requires me to actually clean my credit up first, guess what? You're right.
Yeah.
And I'm about to give you the exact 30-day game plan. But first, credit union number 3, Money Magnets.
All right, let's go. Credit union number 3, Navy Federal, the big bad one everybody loves.
Yes.
And before you say it, yes, you do need a military connection, but hear me out because the family member rule is wider than people actually think.
Okay, Marvin, you actually qualify if you're active duty,
right?
If you're a veteran, retired military,
right?
Or Department of Defense. But keep in mind, you can also qualify if your parents or your grandparents, maybe your siblings or a spouse or even a household member is in the military or was in the military. A lot of people are eligible and they don't even know it.
And y'all know you can change your address on TransUnion immediately.
Yes.
Keep that note, guys. Change the address. All right. Navy Federal personal loans go up to $50,000. APR start at 8.74%.
Yep.
And the big advantage, Navy Federal doesn't publish a minimum credit score. They underwrite the full relationship. We're talking about banking history, your direct deposits, and your overall standing with them as a credit union.
Okay, Money Magnets, this is real world data, okay? Members are getting approved at 588 credit score, a 615 credit score, a 620 FICO credit score for credit cards in the $3,000 all the way up to the $6,000 range. That's a cash flow changer for some people.
It is.
And a great start. Now, on their personal loans, they go from $10,000 to $25,000, and it happens with a 620 credit score all the way up to a 650 credit score, and strong income. So keep that in mind. You also need a few months of Navy Federal banking relationship behind you.
Look, guys, comment the word ready below if you just realized you could qualify through a family member or a household member.
Yes.
And Navy has a pledge loan that is great for rebuilding credit. They also have the cash reward secure card, which can help you rebuild. Guys, don't waste your money on those credit builders. Get a secure card or a secure loan.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into credit union number 4.
Let's do it.
Alliant Credit Union. This is your graduation credit union, Money Magnets. Once you put in the 90-day to 180 days of clean credit history at one of these 3, Alliant is where the bigger limits live.
Look, the personal loans go up to $100,000.
Yes.
APR starts at 8.99%, no origination fees, and they offer soft pull pre-qualification, so you can check the offer, guess what, without a hard inquiry.
Okay, I know you're wondering, how can I join this one as well? $5 one-time donation to the Alliant Credit Union Foundation. That's it, Money Magnets. All 50 states. And the bonus, their checking account pays you actual interest. 3+ APY. Navy Federal pays you basically nothing.
All right, so here's an honest expectation. Alliant prefers borrowers at 640 and up. Make sure they won't even let you apply for the personal loan unless you've been a member for 90 days.
Correct.
And at a 580, they may offer you a smaller secured card option to start. Look, at 640 to 650, you may get a chance at the $25,000 plus conversations when it comes to personal loans.
And don't sleep on the secure part, okay? Now, here's the other thing. None of these 4 credit unions are going to give you $50,000 if your credit report is full of unaddressed collections, charge-offs, and 90% utilization. So let's fix that, money magnets, right now in the next 60 seconds.
Let's go, y'all. We're going to do 60 seconds of what you need to do. It's 3 steps. Number 1, save this video. Don't just listen, take action. You'll be happy later this year. All right, Gloria, give them step 1 of what they should do with their credit report.
Okay, so what you need to do is you need to pull all 3 of your credit reports for free at annualcreditreport.com.
Right.
And it's free, money magnets. Look for anything that doesn't belong there. Collections that aren't yours. Late payments that you actually paid on time.
Right.
Balances that don't match. Inaccurate information is one of the fastest score booster there is.
All right, step number 2. Dispute every inaccurate item directly with the credit bureau in writing. Send it certified mail with proof. The bureau has 30 days to investigate. If they can't verify, guess what? It comes off. We've seen anywhere from 20 to 60 point jumps from just that alone.
Okay, now let me tell you step 3. Get your utilization under 30% across all revolving accounts.
Exactly.
If you got a $500 credit card limit with a $480 balance, that one account is killing your score. Pay it down to at least $150 or below.
Look, if you just do those 3 steps, you can move from a 580 to a 620 in 30 to 60 days, from a 620 to a 660 in another 60. And that is when the $25,000 and $50,000 offers stop being a dream and they start being a reality, guys.
That is correct. But listen, if you're at 580 right now and you got 2 collections and a charge off, you are probably not going to get approved for a $25,000 line tomorrow. That's real. That's the truth, money magnets. What you are doing is grabbing a secure credit card from one of these credit unions, putting down $300 to $500 as a deposit, and treating it like a no interest debit card for 3 to 6 months.
Exactly. You're going to do on-time payments, under 10% utilization every single month. That secure card is going to do more for your score in 6 months than any credit repair company will. And guess what? You don't have to pay $1,500. You can actually do this yourself.
That's facts, Marvin. But First Tech, PenFed, Navy Federal, all 3 of them, secure cards or secure loans, can get you started, okay? Use them as a starting point. Don't skip this step. It's important, money magnet.
All right, now I need to talk to a different group of people just for a minute.
Okay.
Look, if you already got a 700 FICO or higher, look, you're past the rebuilding stage. You're ready to build a real funding stack. We're talking about multiple credit unions, business funding, $250,000 plus in available capital without using a bunch of inquiries and without crashing your credit.
Okay, so what Marvin is saying, for you, we offer a business strategy call. This is a 700 plus credit score only call, okay? So we don't take calls if you fall below the 700 mark, because that's the score where we can actually move to real money. So keep that in mind, 6 figures and up, without burning your personal profile.
All right, 700 and up, book that call, link in the description. Look, I'll pin it in the top comment. Below 700, don't book the call. We got something special for you in the description. Look, finish the 30-day cleanup, hit 700. Look, then come back. Look, Gloria and I will be here every Thursday and Sunday, guys.
That's right. And a lot of you watching are going to do everything right. Dispute the items, get the secure card, pay it on time. And in 6 months, you're going to be at a 660, a 680, or even a 700. And then we're going to look around and ask, okay, now where do I get the real $50,000 limits that anyone can join.
All right, that's the video on the screen right now. It's
Okay.
called Better Than Navy Federal, 3 credit unions with $50,000 limits that anyone can join.
Yes.
We dropped this video last Sunday. 3 credit unions, $50,000 limits, no military required, no employer required, no state requirement. This is the graduation video for those of you who raised that credit score. And guys, I need you to do one thing.
And remember, let's get to the money.
And we're here to help empower your finances.